What's up guys, Dave here with the Honda GoldWing. I'll show you how to set the clock real quick. Just turn your key to the on position. Hit setup on the left here until it gets to clock adjust. And you need to do it quickly because if you don't do anything, it'll go back to its default menu. So do it there and then press info to change the hours. And then push trip to change the minutes. If you hold it down, it'll go faster. Like so. And then push setup to finish. And that's that. Check out other videos. We've got more cool stuff about the Honda GoldWing coming up. We'll see you.